Pydantic AI resolves the agent's final output through the output type argument, and when that output is plain text processed by a post-processing function, the TextOutput marker class routes the model's raw string response through that function rather than treating it as a tool call. The pattern here centers on wrapping a string processing function, so the model provides text directly and the function transforms it before the run completes. You will see a small helper function that splits text into words, an agent initialized with TextOutput, wrapping that function as its output type, a synchronous run asking about Albert Einstein, and the resulting list of words printed from result output.
From Pydantic AI import agent, TextOutput. Def split into words text, SDR list SDR. Return text split. Agent equals agent. OpenAI GPT-5 2. Output type equals text output split into words. Result equals agent. Run sync who was Albert Einstein. Print result, output. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist.
TextOutput wraps an output function, so the model provides text via plain text output instead of a tool call, letting you post-process the raw string. Here the agent gets a question, returns text, and split into words turns that into a list of tokens. This avoids tool calling overhead when you just need to transform the model's response, though it means the function runs once with the full string rather than being invoked by the model itself. Works fine for simple transformations like tokenization, but for validation or side effects, you might want a full output function with proper tool mode. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent, TextOutput.
Imports agent and TextOutput from Pydantic AI, providing the core agent class and a marker for plain text output handling.
Def split into words text, SDR list SDR. Return text split.
Splits a string on whitespace and returns the resulting list of words.
Agent equals agent. OpenAI GPT-5 2.
Creates an agent variable by instantiating an agent with the model identifier OpenAI GPT-5 2 as its first parameter.
Result equals agent. Run sync who was Albert Einstein.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the question, who is Albert Einstein, and stores the run result in result.
Print result, output. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist.
Prints the output field of result, which is a list of word tokens. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. The whole thing is one idea. Wrap a plain string function in TextOutput so the model hands back raw text and your function turns it into whatever shape you need before the run finishes. Split into words is that function, agent gets it via output type, run sync fires the question, and result output comes back as a list of tokens. The trade-off is simplicity over control, no tool calling overhead, but the function runs once on the full response rather than being invoked by the model, which matters if you need validation or side effects baked into the output pipeline.
The agent asks the model for a sentence and split into words, dissolves it into words it never was.